this is getting a bit more interesting. So here I have the traditional in this context space. I'm just giving it a bit of depth now because I haven't worked with it yet. So the idea here is that I would work on these things to, for instance, generative writing, see what that's about. And oh, it relates to these things. So these are the sections from my ACM paper. I'm going to select them now, and I'm calling them currently title. Just going to lift them up to a nice readable this height. Deselect. Going to go back to generative writing so I can see, talking about generative writing here and here. So there are different depths. So I put these at a depth now where I can actually read from the side if I want to, which is kind of fun. So this is the length of my paper. So this is a little bit too big for this room. But over here I have people. Going to deselect that one. Move it up top. That's an important one. Close it. All these fun things. So if I now select, for instance, people, no, person, and then I do focus, then I can see what the persons relate to. So that means that these are the ones where I have mentioned persons. So a lot here at the end, and nothing here. And that's interesting. Why is that? Generative writing. That goes to... Oh, let me just see why. So I'm just going to deselect and open Christine Haas. Very good. I'm going to open this one again. Ah, that was just closed. So yes, she's in there somewhere, of course. Yeah, there she is. So that makes sense. So if I select that now, we're in focus mode. She comes up and these other things come up. And I can just deselect, show all. We're back to this. This is a Markov. We have some problems with the citations that don't show up properly. But it's there. And these are the events. So the idea is that I have my whole paper here, and if I had a laptop in front of me here, let's say, or in front of the actual keyboard there, I can keep writing. But I have access to these things so that I can look at this. It's kind of crazy that this is one of the options we can do. So now what I'm going to do is again deselect and select these titles again. I'm going to change the layout to distribute horizontal. Boom. Now we get this, which is clearly easier to read in the room. Put it here, deselect, and then select persons because they're kind of overlapping now. Put the persons over here. Now I can easily read because they're numbered. They're not numbered correctly. So select again, labels title. So the alphabetical horizontal. Boom, now it should be correct. Trying to generalize that. So yeah, it's reversed. This is another option we have. So select title. Sorry about my drink and my ice cream mess there, but if I now do layout and I do alphabetical, do reverse, then I do alphabetical horizontal. See, now they are as I want them to, without a shortcut to get there. So it's just really cool to be able to switch that. So now I'm going to view, save view. And the cool thing is now I can do this. Boom, there they are closed. I can do deeper documents, and I can do sections horizontal. Now they didn't save the open closed state, which we may want to do, but also I want this panel to be able to open and close automatically. So I can, if I now do select all of these, I should be able to, with one command, open all or close all. But now we'll put them in the ceiling. So yeah, that's the status of what this is now, and it's very exciting. Also the toolbar now can stick to a table like that. Thanks for having a look at this, it's exciting.